Good morning, guys. What's up? Today video I'm gonna install these rear camber arms I got from Battle Version on my Cressida, because it is rubbing too much. I don't want to go higher and I don't want to put over fenders yet, so I just decided to camber it. So I'm gonna install these right now. I'm gonna bring down the IS, put that up. The IS still drives off messed up, but fuck it. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, putting these rear camber arms in the Cressida. So we're gonna start with removing the sway bar end links, and then I'm gonna measure how the stock one is and put it the same, and probably add like a little bit negative camber just so it tucks more in, because it is rubbing on the inside. Probably like, I don't want camber, honestly. Rather have like less camber than anything, but it's rubbing like very bad, so I need it just because I'm not ready for over fenders yet. So yeah, so gonna start with this side and see how it does. If not, then I'm gonna have to do overs, and then it's good that way I can positive out. I want a little bit more negative in the front though. But yeah, let's get started. So I got both of the arms out now. Just got to measure them to put them together the same way, the length, and install them back, and then out of the camber, and then alignment once it's good to be driven. But yeah, so let's get to installing. So I just finished installing both sides of the arms. This is wobbly right here. This ball joint right here is probably done already. Good thing I have these excessive manufacturer ones that I bought from my old chassis. I'll be throwing them on here, just not today, but I will be throwing them on. Probably removing the knuckle, heat gunning it, torching it or hammering it out. If not, I'm gonna have to go get that tool or get it even pressed out, and then press these in. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the wheel on and then see what it does. I was turning it, but it like toes in and out, so I don't know if they're even camber arms or whatever, so we'll see right now. So just finished installing the camber arms. I left them the same way, the same length of factory. So I'm gonna be driving or towing it to the alignment shop because the toe might be out, so I left it stock length. And pretty much it. Once I need to get the front situated because it's rubbing on the fender also, but I can just raise it up. Miguel just rolled up. Just gotta set alignment, and then it should be good to drive. Tomorrow hopefully ref gets cleared because it is refed. And yeah, so can't wait to drive this thing. It needs rear camber. It needs the rear fucking ball joints I showed you guys from excessive. Put them in here. Need to install these. So done.
What up? You already put them?
Yeah, I need to install these, and then that should take off that wobbliness. But yeah, hopefully soon I can drive this thing, be cruising. But that wraps it up for this video. If you like the video, like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. I got that engine swap I'm gonna be doing next video. Stay tuned, be swapping this. My clutch is on its way. This, the IS, hopefully I can drive it Friday. I'm gonna be doing it, so hopefully by Monday I can drive it again. So yeah, stay tuned.